an Ceannais Fhrainc agus well to Oscailtí don Fhrainc sin Ibre Isteach sa lár tá sé glór cúlín a coscóir millimeter sure cool agus tá cool aimse Cadémar Creachan son Amandine Drange is stolen Shagaday na Furishin. What a finish.
Unbelievable, great counter up the pitch to move the ball through the hands, and we talked about her first shot, she got her eye and found the top corner of that one, brilliant finish.
Agus well done Ceann Curishis Rauner Yesh Rauner Clay Machar Yesh a Hinchi Immerhor Lashtig Mas Fader Leshen Get Togan Counsa Tamonta Agus Haran Trasnon and son Shani Amandine Drange reached. She really seems to be the danger player Rory this evening.
Yeah, she looks like she's the shooter. She's 2 from 3 and got all of France's scores so far, so they'll be trying to get more ball into her hands.
Tashi an éifig le cinnte Norvín Shelvike Shakunganish San Francisco agus Eid Sator score ní feic fan her ligand de Varna Rovor a heacht chun tosagan sá agus Igadera Isteach sa lár an son an Van Laur Park an son Shini Rachel Killigrew agus Tasha Shinake Masha. That's a good response for all of France's possessions, only 2 points in it.
That's it. They'll be disappointed not to be further ahead. France don't look like they're going to concede goals, but San Francisco just kept themselves in the game.
Good hurricane kick action kind of unta tá sé teach ríis go nó an is táfach cos chéadla agus well Brew agus an mód dear Tamanta Tríd an sonic Fiona O'Donoghue Masha and Florina Islú idir na foreign and so back to a 1 point game where it's really there for both of them.
Yeah, I think the part that the French are struggling with the most is their kickouts. They're doing this bunch and break kick, you know, trying to find space in the wings, but it looks like San Francisco figured it out and they're struggling to get out again here. A possible goal opportunity.
Good hurricane on a kick namak, but again Fhrainc agus well Oscailtí Isteach to fill Megan Manning Leshen Tasso Karen Trasnon Tomid Erco score. As I said, they really need to come up with a change in policy with the kickouts because it's not working at the moment. An rank attacked a Norwan Ella agus Oscailtí Inish and Van Contour took Amandine Drange Garretry will chance her cool top Burton Ackley. Oh, fake custom cool Bora. Oh, Tashi Dine what a goal. Super goal again from Amandine.
Yeah, we're the danger of repeating ourselves at this stage. The main threat looks like she's getting her break. Oh no, it's half time, so a big score right before the half to stretch out the lead to 3.
Colleen Morar Spar. Maint na Fhrainc on either in na sléide agus bhí go leor for na agsúla ruch na seachtainna chu agus well tá siad an hásta a bheits an cléthe cena seo. Shelva cumad an son Tiffany Leon. Tríd ríist an son le gur put Fhrainc San Francisco tá obair bhatha dhéanamh ríist ag an man Contorta Céna. Oh, an trío cool an son ché. Dochreta, definitely the danger person.
Hat-trick now, she limped away from that. Great strength to ride the tackle and then to finish high into the net again, just unbelievable.
Funnah úntaach ionta go cinnte agus athleat ardói mar deir chuma Giriganis Cluiche Creachnú mac passion gan of úntaach better gonna bro semach ag deir Fanny Lezin le Shelvanis retreat agus an Van Contourta and is an turn about it Shelva Hartúhi better will teshin so better go check her nash cooey Togadine better will chance her cool over a Cahar Tog Caharu Coolike. We were saying she didn't like to pass. Again, there she did give the pass. It came back her 4th goal. What a performance, Rory!
Unbelievable. Yeah, she gave the pass and followed it, and I suppose her teammate was that unselfish to give it back to her because she saw she was there and no better woman to put the ball in the net.
Well, and Tom nach more catching so Tom Mountain of Frank Rega stole him. The Chukashi the Stacker apart, but she Dean, but she Dacher either Khamad, Denfark, if I can to Mach, Trasnanson and Buntosh took a lower reached. Again, Rachel Toshi Trish, if I give it Eros and down on Toos and so Tronona. Agus Shakun Aristid, Upper Sheeran son. Agus Margot Mansonares on 8th of Dove and so Hook Foreign. And the Kenson of Rukanton Town Gael of a Cutter. Carricuig Lenard, a shot that is cool, Ella and son. Nada Inson Leonton, stolen Gorbay Segolane Rivali, I'm sure count or has saw. Shanae and Addo Garrick Shata, Egan Rachor, Shocking a shock, Minton Franca, Iad in Uchter and saw Agus well a title gun in Cashay a Kuig. Egan Fhrainc, shocked Goulinex San Francisco, Fog City Harps, Neelane, Kesh Fay, no cool Avun, the Cleagus, Far Ershin. Cadémar atmosphere na dahan agus na balloon Idol an Orgus an Aaron son dahan na Fhrainc a Hogsheed and Slú Aloha agus an Cailúr Inson Shaston. What celebrations out there, Rory?
It's amazing. I'm absolutely delighted for them because like when I was in France this was all they talked about, like is winning that world title as it is in their eyes. So this is the biggest level that they can play at in Gaelic football, so and ladies and Gaelic football, so for them to get over the line's massive and they're going to celebrate properly.
It's crazy. Like it's been so many years that we're trying to have this prize, and we have a so great team. It's the first time that we have a so good cohesion between us, and I was believing in each of players in my team. So yeah, I'm very happy.